好似蚊子好靚，我係兩圍媽嚟嘅。我記得呢啲全部係紅色嘅，好靚。下面呢啲樹全部係紅色。嗰次唔係同蚊子嗰次，蚊子佢係好無聊嘅。呢個冇咁無聊嘅。秋天嗰陣時係好靚嘅。可能你都啱啊嗰邊㗎啦。
所以我唔知點解你哋呢邊。唔要啦，陣間直播台都睇到嘅。
If you keep going, you will see the Fujiyama viewing platform. We love the magnificent view of Mount Fuji that can be seen from here. We hope that you will enjoy it too. 皆様、まもなく到着でございます。降りる際は足元に気をつけて立ち止まらずにお進みくださいませ。We have nearly arrived. When disembarking, please watch your step. Do not stop and keep moving. それでは、お時間の許します限り、ゆっくり山頂でのひとときをお楽しみください。Please enjoy your time at the summit.
She galvanized me, steady like steel, back on my feet, living for the thrill again, loving for another day. She satisfied me, gave me what I want, just what we need, never too far away, loving for another day. But she asked for something more. She asked for, yeah, she asked for something beautiful. She asked for, yeah, she asked for, she asked for something beautiful. She mystifies me, tell me what I did wrong, I plead. Never did I think we would be loving for another day. But she asked for something more. She asked for, yeah, she asked for something beautiful. Something beautiful. Yeah, she asked for something beautiful. She asked for, yeah, she asked for, she asked for something beautiful.
Did you enjoy seeing Mount Fuji from the top of the mountain? 富士山は1年を通じ紅葉や雪化粧など季節ごとに彩りを変えますのよ。その時々の表情で皆様をお迎えいたしますわ。 河口湖へお越しの際はまた今日とは違う富士山をぜひお楽しみください。March is color with the city, with the autumn leaves and snow. I'm sure you'll be greeted with the different research next time. Next time you come to河口湖, you can enjoy a different Mount Fuji from what you saw today. 富士山の絶景を存分に楽しむのにおすすめしたいのが、ここより徒歩3分の河口湖遊覧船アップライでございます。To enjoy the scenery of Mount Fuji to the fullest, we recommend the Lake河口湖sightseeing boat Appare, which is only 3 minutes on foot from here. 帝国時代の武田信玄をモチーフとした純和風の船での優雅な湖上遊覧の人たちはきっと皆様にご満足いただけることでしょう。You can enjoy an elegant trade cruise on a Japanese-style boat inspired by the Navy from the Sengoku period. ぜひ皆様のこの良き旅の思い出に河口湖遊覧船あっぱれへ足をお運びいただければと思いますわ。We suggest that you visit the Appare to make your trip even more memorable. さて皆様、まもなくご到着でございます。またのお越しを一度お待ちしておりますわ。We have nearly arrived. We look forward to seeing you again.